You see someone shouting and talking on the phone without any manners, then they assume the person is a Ghan. Because where we are from, every day we wake up and you see people. They say they are close to the sea, so they speak with loudness and all of that because they think they are close to the sea. Artists like Kim Promise, then Darko vibes, they are Ghan, but yet still most of their songs you see the chi and the English, in it. But even though they are Ghan.
All right, my name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Prince Thompson.
Okay, where are you from? Which region are you from?
I'm from Accra here.
You are from Accra, so you're a Ghan?
Yes, I'm a Ghan.
Oh, okay. Then I think in Choni edun lo papa. Can you do bonu oga ojoba?
Bonu oga.
Ningbe fan afobo ye.
Me am from Ghan Sempe.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay. Be sanenu obi o egbe noji. Wanta wona me adwemo ke ake game te amele game haten babo no le game mini oyo kemo ye game. What actually do you know about Ghans? Let me see if you know your tribe.
Okay, so what I know about Ghana is that we are known for our language. Most people think our language is harsh. Everyone expects a Ghan man or a Ghan person to behave in a harsh way, like the person is not calm. You see someone shouting and talking on the phone without any manners, then they assume the person is a Ghan. Because where we are from, every day we wake up and you see people. They say they are close to the sea, so they speak with loudness and all of that because they think they are close to the sea. But that is us. We are Ghan. That's what we are known for. That's what makes Ghan unique.
How will you clear that perception as a Ghan?
That perception, I don't think it's going to die because that differentiates us among other tribes. Because we talk. Someone will say that we Ghan, we don't have sense. Why? Because we can build a house and rent it to someone else and we will be sleeping outside.
Don't you think that is more of Ghans being more hospitable? Where will you go and someone will give you a place to sleep?
Well, I think that's it, but you don't see it that way.
But it's not entirely true, right?
Yeah, no.
All right. Okay.
We don't see it that way. Because of that, in this country, Ghan people don't excel. We don't excel in the country. You take a look at the media, the entertainment side, and you see that everything is about cheap. We don't really see the Ghan making out there. You see a Ghan person, even though artists like Kim Promise, then Darko vibes, they are Ghan, but yet still, most of their songs, you see the chi and the English, in it. But even though they are Ghan, but their song, you could hear the Ghan once coming inside. Someone like Gasmela, he's someone I love so much because he has done a lot with the Ghan, in the industry. But yet still, he has not gotten to the world yet. We don't really see him getting out of the Ghan.
My next question to you is, Greater Accra is found to be the people of Ghans. Why do you think Ghan is not dominating in Greater Accra?
I think it is Ghan, it is our nature. Right now there's this thing going on even in the working sector. Mm-hmm. You can apply for a job and it's like, where are you from? Why can you say Tessin? My God, that Tessin alone can even disqualify you.
Why does it happen that way?
Because in quotes we are lazy.
You think Ghans are lazy?
We don't like that's the perception. We are lazy. We don't like working. That's why when you get to Tessin and the Chorkor side, we see most of the youth walking around, not doing anything better with their lives. So that has affected much. It has affected some people though.
But do you think it's true that Ghans are lazy, they don't like working? Because you are a Ghan, you live around them, you know them, so...
I see it to be the individual because...
not the ethnic group as a whole.
Yes. For me like this, I have vision, I know where I want to get to. So I know what I have to do to get there. Other people too, they have what they want to do. So if someone wakes up and he doesn't want to be in the office, he just wants to go and come do these menial jobs to get 20 cedis a day to eat and he's okay. That's him.
What do you think we should do as Ghans to help our language to be spoken in Accra?
What I think it should be done is, let's look at the top people in the country. If you don't have more Ghans dominating in Accra when it comes to the political aspect and the positions in Accra, I don't think we can actually get to where we want to. So I think the Ghans has to dominate the positions, okay, in Accra, so that they can implement whatever we want to do in Accra. Because you can see that someone will come from Kumasi, come here, yeah, come and be MP, and will be doing what they want to do, like the Kumasi want him to do here. That's what he'll be doing. So you see many artists, that's what I'm saying. So me, I'm basically on the entertainment industry because nowadays entertainment is ruling the country, So most artists, those who are saying they are in Teman and all of that, they all come from Kumasi and they came here and they made it here. You see Kumasi people, they have this kind of uniqueness with them. Okay, so we all know Kumasi people that they can yop. So that's them. And you can't come here and yobbing to, it's like you are selling something, it's like marketing. So they have that kind of, skills already. But we don't have, we the Ghana, we don't have that thing. So for we Ghanaians to thrive in Accra, I think the schools too are not helping.
Okay.
Because yes, we implemented Ghanaian language in schools and yes, still, it's not getting to anywhere. So I don't think schools will be okay. So I think the positions to be taken by the Ghanaians, so that we can implement what we want to do in Accra. Yeah.
All right. I want to ask you my last question, and I'll allow you to go. If you have the opportunity to change one thing to promote Ghana and the language itself, what will it be?
I think what I have in mind is that we have these programs going on and all of that. Gadangme is beautiful, the talented kids, they're all going on. These are the programs that almost every tribe joins to exhibit his or her talent. Miss Ghana has been in existence for years now. Yes, you could see Ghana people taking it, winning it, but still don't make any relevance of it.
What do you think we should do?
So what I think should be done is we have TV, okay, in Ghana, for the Ghana people, that's the Obonu TV. Yeah. That's what I know. Only one TV. We have the radio station, that's the Obonu station, and then Latenu. That one too is in Labadi. It's like only these two TV stations that I know. But I think we should develop more TV stations, more radio stations should be owned by Ghanaians. We have some rich people who are Ghanaians, they can also start to own the media in order to promote the Ghana language. Okay, the radio stations or the media promoting the Twi language, they are more than the Ghana TV station and the radio station. So I think more people should invest. Maybe Ghana people should invest in the radio station, the TV. I say the multimedia and sector, because that's the only place we can use to promote the language. Okay, TV station like this, we have things that the Ghana people do always. Program can be designed. You can design a Ghana program whereby you'll be visiting the Ghana people. We know that people have been cooking on the TV and all of that. We can also have that kind of thing, but this time maybe you go to Chorkor. What are the Chorkor people doing? What are they cooking? So we can go, even though they say that we are dirty. Okay, they say Ghana people we are dirty, but still that is us.
But no, is it true?
Okay, this is true because they only target.
I let me clear this. Since we are on this platform, let me clear this. I was once talking to an elderly Ghana person. He said in the early 50s, where there were not a lot of people in Accra, Accra was clean, very clean. So we got visitors, people coming to Accra. Now we have a lot of people. You can't control them. So that made Accra dirty, but not the people of Ghana that are dirty.
Okay, what you are saying is true, okay. But here lies the case that if we are saying that people have come here and they have dirtied the place, what did we do? What did we, the Ghanaians, what did we do? We allowed them. It's like you are in your home and someone can come there to dirty your place. Come on, if you allow that person to do it and the person goes, at the end of the day, they will tell you that your place is dirty, you are dirty. We have to implement the laws and the regulations here so that it will cater for those things. We have some locations that has created that perception. That is the Chorkor, the station, and the lab. Like that's the only location that has created that perception. That's the only location that. So and you could see that a government can say they want to develop that place, and still we won't allow it. Like it's like the people don't want to comply and all of that.
Really? Okay.
Because they think we are stubborn. Oh, it's there. I've been hearing it.
Okay. Let's wrap it up. What's your final words? what do you want to share with people watching us?
We, the people of Ghana, we are good. Those kind of perception being created for us, not helping. I think people should refrain from it because everyone has his or her disadvantage. Okay, every tribe has an advantage and disadvantage. People shouldn't criticize the Ghanaians so much with that kind of perception that we are dirty and we are lazy and we talk harshly, we don't have manners and all of that. It's like they think Ghanaians are fools.
Which we are not.
Which we are not, exactly. Which we are not, okay. Yeah. So people should stop that. We, the Ghanaians, are not criticizing other tribes with that. And with this thing, it has gone to affect marriages and all of that.
Exactly.
I
know.
Yeah.
Okay, Charlie, thank you so much. Thank you for your little time talking to us.
Thank you too.
All right,
thank you.